Greetings. Are you a student preparing for practical exams in primary, secondary, or A levels? Feeling unsure about facing biology, chemistry, and physics practicals for your KCSE exams? Are you considering registering for alternative to practical for sciences because you lack hands-on learning opportunities? Look no further. Mascit Lab is here to help you excel. Whether you're enrolled in Cambridge AS level or simply want to explore science experiments, we've got you covered. Our personalized sessions cater to homeschoolers and those seeking more interactive learning experiences. Experience the magic of practical learning at Mascit Lab. Ignite your curiosity and empower your innovation as we guide you through science, mathematics, IT, digital arts, and more. Take the leap into a new way of learning today. Contact us and let's embark on your journey to success. For any inquiries or to get in touch with us, feel free to reach out, or you can email us at info@mascitlab.com. For more information about our services, visit our website at www.mascitlab.com. Our new location is situated along Lanana Road, Kilimani.